everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all having an awesome day. Today I'm back to share the second part of my advent calendar swap with the lovely Kim Kelly. So today I'm opening packages 4, 5 and 6, so I'm really excited. Yeah, I've been waiting a few days to open this actually, and this is the only opportunity I've had. Also in this I'm going to open, well, the one's already opened because I couldn't wait, I got really impatient, but the other one I'm going to open is of my surprise advent calendar that my family have done for me as well. So first I'll do Kim's and then I'll do that one after. So this is number 4. Again, beautiful stickers and this gorgeous wrapping paper. And then inside this one, oh, some stamps. How cool are these? So you got this cute little penguin. That's really cute. That's going to be cute on some tags and cards. Yeah, thank you, Kim, for sending that. And then also is this stamp set. So I think they're all Christmassy ones. Yeah, they are. So you got Let It Snow. I wish it could be Christmas every day. Oh, that's a cool one. Deck the Halls. Jingle All the Way. Winter Wonderland. Here Comes Santa Claus. All I Want for Christmas Is You. Oh, they sound like songs, don't they? Merry Christmas. May your days be merry and bright. It's the most wonderful time of year. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Warm holiday wishes on cold winter days. And then you've got these little stamps here. Really cute. I love that. And I don't really have many Christmas sentiments, so that's really cool. Thanks for sending that, Kim. And then, oh my gosh, how cute is that? Gingerbread. That's so cute. Cute little bag. And then inside this one, there's a die in here. And this one, oh, that's so cute. I love that. It's got little polar bears. So you got this one, and you got scarves and skates there to put on. I presume this one, like little ice skates, and then this one sitting down. Oh, that's really cute. I like that. Thank you, Kim. That's really cute. Yeah, I can't wait now. I'm definitely doing some Christmas crafts during like the Christmas holidays and also after. So thank you so much for sending those, Kim. So that was number 4, and then this is number 5. Again, cute stickers. And then inside this one, this one's wrapped up well. Oh, I see some bows. So you've got these cute little satin bows in like a red and gold, little pearls on them, really pretty. And then these sequins. Just gonna open these. They're quite thick. Oh, they're quite cool because you could use these in shakers, but you could also put like, I don't know if you can see that, they've got a hole in the middle, so maybe you could put those on like charms and things. They're really cool. I like those. And loads in now. So those ones, and then these snowflake sequins, and again they've got the hole in the center. You could like thread those on bracelets or like charms. If you alter pins, things like that, you could use those on those. Yeah, you've got little holes in the center. That's really cool. Got those. Then some foam snowflake toppers. These are lovely. Always handy when you're making cards and things. And then this beautiful ribbon. You've got this one that says Merry Christmas. Really thick ribbon. You've got this felt, and they're like little Christmas trees. They'd be fun to kind of cut apart and put on cards. And then this beautiful gold one, and then this really nice glittery green one. Really pretty. I wonder where she got that. I've not seen this one before. It's really pretty. Thank you, Kim. I love those. I can't wait, actually, with these stamps and dies and then these embellishments. They're going to be some fun projects and cards I can make with those. And then the last one I'm going to show in this video is number 6. And then inside this one, it's a cute little notepad with a pencil, like a snowman. You can never have too many notepads, especially at Christmas time. And then this one, this is like for, is this for sequins, like a little scoop like mixer? I think that's what it's for. I could be wrong, I do apologise, but I think it's for like sequins and stuff, like for mixing in, doing sequin mixes and stuff, or glitter and things like that. This is really cool. I love the colours of it. And then the last few bits is from my secret advent calendar, so I couldn't wait. I had to open. This is number 3. Yeah, one of my favourite chocolates. And then this is number 4. So I'm going to open that one today and see what's inside this one. I still don't know who's leaving these. I have no idea. Oh wow. Oh my gosh. So these are, oh my gosh, these are Kuromi mystery pins. So I'm going to open these and see which ones. So obviously these are the different ones you can get. It's 20th anniversary Kuromi pins. These are lounge fly pins. I think I have got, I don't know if it's this collection or a different one, but I know I did buy a Kuromi one before, but yeah, I don't think it's this same collection. So in this one is, oh, that's so cool. So it's that one. So that's the pin. How cool is that? If you don't already know, me and the kids absolutely love like blind bags, things like that. The kids love opening these sort of things. They love going to like things like Pop Mart, Miniso, that sort of thing. We go to Disney quite often, and again they like going in the things and getting blind bags and stuff. So yeah, we love, as a family, we love anything like this. So that's the one I got in there. And then, oh, the cupcake's really cool. I think that's a macaroon, is it? I think it is. So this is box number 2. Oh my gosh, I've totally been spoiled today. So inside this one, oh, it's Kuromi. Look, she's got a little crown on, a little wand. Oh my gosh, I love the shimmer on that. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. This is that one. How cool is that? Oh, that's so pretty. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please go and check out, like I said, Kim doesn't have a YouTube channel. She doesn't do videos, but she does have an Instagram. So please go and check her out on Instagram. I will leave the information in the description box down below. She makes some beautiful cards on her channel, and she joins different challenges and things that go on throughout the week and stuff. So yeah, please go and show her some love on her Instagram and check out all her beautiful creations that she has on there. And I would like to say a big thank you to my family as well for these beautiful surprises that they've been leaving each day for me. Yeah, it's been a lot of fun finding them and opening each day. As always guys, thanks for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Have an awesome week guys. Bye.